Withdraw to mobile phone or recharge your mobile phone through this application, the minimum payout is around $0.5. If you want to withdraw it with PayPal, the minimum threshold is around $5. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. So guys, today's application pays us through electronic top-up or mobile recharge. It gives us free load. I have placed link in the description below, so when you touch the link, you will be redirected to this application. Install the application, and when you're done installing, open the app. The application looks like this. Touch the sign up. This application requires permission to receive SMS, manage calls, access call log and contact, to verify the number and perform test tasks. Accept the permission. Allow the app to make call and manage phone calls and SMS. So if you grant these permissions, the application goes to this page. This app will help you to earn money on test call and help telecom operators to identify fraud and spam numbers, improve the quality of service provided. Test call data can only be transferred to your operator and the operator to whose number the test call is made. To receive rewards, you need to provide access to the call log. So tick on privacy policy and also tick on I am over 18 years old. Then the start button will open to you to touch. So touch start and enter your mobile number. To register a number in this application, the SIM card must be installed in this phone. So choose your prefix, country code and fill your number. After filling your number, touch the confirm number. Within a minute, you will receive a call to register the number. You don't need to enter a code. Registration will happen automatically. Just wait the SMS to arrive. When the code arrives, it automatically registers your number. If it doesn't, touch the resend code. As you can see, the code is arrived. Please wait. Number goes through confirmation, creating a user. Then allow the application to access your media file. Upload your profile picture and fill your name as well. Then touch the next button. If your mobile phone has second SIM, the application will detect a second SIM card in the phone. You can add the second number to get more test tasks. You can earn more. So touch the add number now and enter the second phone number. Important thing to remember here is the SIM card must be installed in the phone. So touch the confirm number and then it will add the number. Enter the referral code that's shown in the screen. You will get a reward that will be accurate after accepting one task. Rewards depend on the country of presence and your mobile operator. Confirm when you're done placing this code. After confirming the code, this pop-up message will come. To enable the blocker function and identify unknown number, synchronize your personal contact to the server. Touch OK. Synchronization will start. There is a question. Test call will be automatically rejected, received and terminated with 3 up to 7 seconds in the background. Calls are stored in the phone book. Don't call those numbers back. This is a serious matter. You don't have to call the number. Touch OK. If you allow to add this application to power supply exceptions, you will receive more tasks. So allow it and ignore battery optimization. You'll find it in the setting. And also this application needs permission on top of all windows so that this application can notify you of test tasks in the call bar. So allow it, enable, permit, going over other apps. So as you can see, there is a test call. This call will pay me 1.03 BER. So this is my country's currency. but you will see within your own currency. You don't have to do anything, just wait to the application to reject this number, this call. As you can see, there is a countdown time, so when the countdown reaches 0, the call will be rejected. So go to blocker and don't forget to synchronize your contact book. So guys, you can also use this application to block numbers so that you don't want touch the add number to spam list. You can also use it for blocking numbers from calling you and SMS to your phone. As you can see, within this second I will receive a test call. It will be processed automatically. I don't have to do anything. The application will block it immediately. So as you can see on that screen, there is a call. This call is a test call. I don't touch anything. The application itself has blocked it. Don't touch anything. As you can see, my earning is now rising. Here you can withdraw funds to the mobile balance. The money has been added to my balance for the test call. Touch on your balance to see the balance and withdraw it. So as you can see, I have two mobile numbers and 0.6 ATP. You can see within your own currency to withdraw to mobile phone or recharge your mobile phone through this application. The minimum payout is 20 birr in my currency. You can see it on your own currency and it is around $0.5. If you want to withdraw it with PayPal, the minimum threshold is around $5. When you reach the minimum threshold, you can fill the money you want and withdraw it directly to PayPal account or your mobile phone. As you can see, there are more tasks coming to my phone. You have to click to perform the task. You will receive a test call from another user of this application. It will be automatically rejected. So touch run and the countdown will start. When the countdown reaches 0 seconds, the call will arrive and the application will reject it automatically, and the assigned balance will be added to your balance. You can see on call logs. So guys, by using this application, you can recharge your mobile and get free load, and also you can withdraw it to PayPal. You don't have to do anything. The application will reject the calls if they are test calls. So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.